Hi everyone, I'm in my hotel room after a long day. Spent the day at Universal Studios in Florida, toured a lot of the Universal stuff I had missed on previous trips, and ended the day in Islands of Adventure. Had a great time, rode the Hulk coaster, not too impressed with it. It's a little bumpy, headbanger, didn't like it, but of course, as always, the Harry Potter stuff was amazing and fantastic. I've got a few clips to share with you after this, but I didn't upload a video yesterday of my trip because I just uploaded the Muppet Mobile Lab. When I ran across that, it was unbelievable, and what a stroke of luck to run into it. It had just done Ellen's Energy Adventure, which I haven't done in 15 years, maybe, and was heading across the central area to go to Soarin' to try the new Soarin', and just happened to walk across right around lunchtime. And I'd heard rumors they'd been showing up around 1 o'clock or so behind the print trading area, right behind the Spaceship Earth area, right behind it. So if you get a chance to see it, it's amazing. And take a look at my video so you get a good idea of what's happening. But I had a spectacular day at Epcot. Frozen ride is wonderful. Enjoyed Soarin', it was okay. It was good. And got to do a lot of shopping in the Japan Pavilion for my boys, for my sons. All right, so take a look at some of this Harry Potter video. So obviously I'm in Diagon Alley. As you can see, got the dragon behind me. So, did it go off yet? Oh, it's still sitting back there, so I'm waiting. It's making some noises. So, still there. That is really, really cool. Just going to pan around a little bit with the camera in the shot here, because this is one of the most perfectly themed environments I have ever been in my life. You feel like you are not in this world, like you are really somewhere else. It is spectacular. Worth a trip to Orlando just to come here. That's about it.
Sorry.